On Easter time on February 16, 1996, MARC train number 286 was departing to Boxman, Maryland to Washington, D.C. with cab car 7752, 2 coaches, and GP 58H-2 number 73. It departed Brunsburg, Maryland at 4:30 p.m. There were engineer, conductor, and assistant conductor. Meanwhile, Amtrak number 29 for Capital Limit was departed Union Station at 5:25 p.m. traveling to Chicago. The train consisted by 2 locomotives, 225 as F40PHR and P40DC number A11, with 6 material handling cars, a baggage car, and a large superliner cars, with pulling 164 passengers on board. The 2 tracks on the signal are numbered 1 and 2. The MARC train was on track number 2 to make a flag stop. Both trains are approaching Georgetown Junction. The Capital Limit was switched to the track 1. The MARC train number 286 was departed Kensington. MARC train number 286 saw Capital Limit. Unfortunately, it was too late. At 5:39 p.m., 11 deaths and 26 are injured. Phase 7 to take the hospital on the Burns Lake line. After the accident, the NTSB was taken release yet. Amtrak and CXX was spending about $103 million. F40PHR 255 and MARC 7752 was totally lost in scrap. P40DC number A11 was repaired in 2000s and sent it to LTX. MARC train number 73 was turned to service on board still this day. 28 years this past since the accident, and forget of its people on lives.